That's not something we do today. The cloud enhances our social and professional interactions. Number 5, 4 rather. Flip. The cloud will want smarter devices. One of the myths about the cloud is that instead of seeing more innovation, new PCs, new phones, new TVs, one of the myths of the cloud is that all computing is going to be re-centralized in these big data centers, which we can't touch and see and control. In the scenario I just went through, in terms of the match between Thailand and Vietnam, you're going to have a smart TV with a smart camera that recognizes you and your actions and what you're doing. The cloud will want smarter and smarter devices, but it wants new innovations and new ideas and new applitions that not only run in the data center, but empower individuals in their own lives. And we'll see the birth of a whole new generation of PCs, of phones, and TVs. Last but certainly not least, the cloud is going to drive an amazing set of innovations in terms of how we think about servers and data centers, the hardware and the software. And in turn, what we will see is the world will evolve from thinking about the cloud as a public service that's only operated by Microsoft and Google and the guys we compete with, to the cloud being something that any customer can buy. A box, it's the cloud. Come visit the Hana University of Technology, and there'll literally be a physical container. It'll have storage and networking and compute capability. It'll have the next generation of our Windows software that we call Windows Azure running inside of it. It'll participate with other such clouds everywhere on the planet. And it'll let you build a new style of application that scales out, that fails over, that gets backed up automatically and simply. So the cloud will drive the way we think about software and hardware for the server and the client. So there'll be a lot of innovation in the cloud, in the way we think about it in terms of communication, learning, collaboration, science, and the way we think about the data centers, the PCs, the phones, and the TVs that come together in the cloud.